Today I want to talk to you about a recipe that can help you if you have lost hair, if you're losing hair, if your hair is thinning, if you need help with your hair. This is a quick and easy recipe that we make using essential oils.
I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go.
And we start out with a 4-ounce sprayer. I love these. You can get them on Amazon. I have a link in my website, greendoggessentials.com. In the supplies section, it has a lock on and off. But the most important thing is it really sprays fine, okay? So what you're going to do is take 10 drops each of these 5 oils. It is so easy, okay? So you would open up your spray bottle and put in, to start with, 10 drops of cedar wood, okay? Cedar wood is wonderful. It promotes thick and healthy looking hair and scalp. So you would put in 10 drops of cedar wood, and cedar wood is a little slower, so be patient with it, okay? And then you do the same thing with clary sage. And clary sage is an oil I use every day, so there's a dropper top on it. It promotes healthy looking hair and scalp. You also add 10 drops of peppermint oil. Let me get it so you can see it there. Okay, peppermint is invigorating and cleansing. You add 10 drops of geranium. Geranium keeps your scalp healthy and clean and also provides hair with shine. Then you put in 10 drops of rosemary. We only use doTERRA oils because doTERRA oils are the only ones that are pure and dependable. So rosemary is great for that abundant looking hair. I've used rosemary to help promote hair growth on our pets and animals that have maybe a bald spot or recovering from an injury. So you top it off with water, and that's all you do. Just give it a little shake before you spray it on. I like to spray it throughout my hair. You don't have to spray a lot. That's why the fine sprayer is so good. But just part your hair and spray it within. Rub it in your scalp a little bit and then brush it through or comb it through with your fingers, and boom, you're done. If you want to up-level it, and you know sometimes we do want to up-level things to a recipe that is actually going to have similar results but be more therapeutic for you, you would add 10 drops of frankincense, the king of oils, okay? 10 drops of lavender, the queen of all things calming, great for your scalp. You would put in 10 drops of tea tree, that is wonderful, invigorating, and so cleansing. Also 10 drops of copaiba, and if you're lucky enough to have it, because it's not available very often, 10 drops of hinoki. That's Hinoki. So that would be the same way in your 4-ounce sprayer. Put your oils in, carefully top it off with water, and give it a little shimmy shake, and boom, you're done. So I hope that's helpful. I want you to, share your results with us. If you want to have hair that is, healthy, beautiful, and vibrant without any chemicals, you can use this recipe. For people that want to promote hair growth, I would use it a couple of times a day, especially at night before you go to bed, and then wash your hair in the morning. For people like myself that want to maintain healthy hair, and at 67, I think my hair is really quite good, then I just use it after I shampoo each time, and that's plenty to maintain. So I hope that was helpful, all right? Everybody, happy oiling. Take good care and let us know your results.